Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, I would like to say thank you for coming in our video. Introduce of group members. We are from group 1. First, I'm Dara.
Hi, I'm Daisy from Group 1. I'm in 11th stage 1 class.
Next is Astri. Next, Nahwa. Next, Rani. Next, Gina. And the last one is Andika. What is explanation text? Explanation text is to say why and how of the forming of the phenomena. It is often found in science, geography, and history textbooks. In this video, we will like to explain text about meteor shower.
As the stars we see at night, the sun was only one star in the Milky Way galaxy. And the Earth, where we live, was only one of the 8 planets around the sun. In addition to the planet, is still a lot of other objects around the sun, such as asteroids, comets, meteoroids, and other. A whole from a star system called the solar system.
Our solar system is so big, the distance between the Sun and Earth only reaches 150 million kilometers, where the distance to the edge of the solar system is estimated to reach more than 100,000 times the distance between the Sun and the Earth. Imaginable in the rim of the solar system, the Sun for its noon will shine the might, not faint brighter than the full moon. So the temperature of the solar system is very cool. On the rim of the solar system, that so-called its residence, also the chunks of ice and hardness around the sun, chunks of ice that was so much like forming of a cloud. Then by areas skintiest chunks of ice that are known as the Oort cloud. The system is estimated to range between 50,000 until 100,000 times the distance of the Sun, the Earth. Earth clouds at the edge of the solar system, creating space phase.
The movement of the giant planets in the inner solar system sometimes make one of the chunks of ice in the Oort cloud are interested in. So the chunks of ice begin moving closer to the sun, and when it starts close to the sun, then the ice will begin to experience a warming. Ice melt and evaporate quickly. Water vapor then form a sheet and a tie of slab of ice.
The chunk of ice that vaporizes the sun. This is the object we know as comets. But comets contain water not only purely, but also the metal minerals as there is on the rocks. When water vapor begins to urge out of the core of the comet, then these metal minerals also will get carried away. So the tail of comet that is formed will be composed of gas and dust. Over time, the tail gas of the comet will be lost with the solar wind, while tail of dust from the comet will remain in place. So along the path of the comet will be made by the dust that comes from solid fragments of comet, and every time the comet passes back, then the dust content in the core will be more and accumulate. Comet dust is then called meteoroids.
The Earth and the comet was equally around the Sun in its orbit respectively, and a few comets have orbits that intersect with the Earth's orbit. So there are times when the Earth crosses the orbit of comet. Some will. And when that happens, then the Earth will have breathed the hordes of meteoroids that come from comet. Then both collide.
Both the hordes of meteors that won't directly hitting the surface of the Earth. Instead, it will pass through the Earth's atmosphere first. When the meteors that passes through the atmosphere very quickly, then the meteors that will blow with air particle. This friction will cause the heat quickly burn meteors.
The phenomenon of burning of meteoroid in the atmosphere we know as meteor. Well, because when the Earth crosses the orbit of the comet, will be many meteoroids that crash and burn in the atmosphere. Then when it also will be a lot of meteors that can be seen, the phenomenon of increasing number of meteors that can be seen is called a meteor shower.
Of the definition text because it explains the process galaxy systems that cause meteor showers.
I will explain the generic structure in this text. First, general statement. Located paragraph 1 to 3. This section introduces objects other than the Sun and the Earth in the solar system. Second, sequence explanation. Located paragraph 4 to 10. Explain the process of meteor shower.
Purpose of explanation text. First, to tell processes relating to forming of natural, social, scientific, and cultural phenomena. Second, to explain how or why something happens.
Purpose of meteor shower text. This text is to inform readers about how meteor shower occurred and what factors are included with the phenomenon.
Okay, let's talk about the language feature on the text. First is featuring generic participant is an object or phenomenon which is being discussed, such as wine, chocolate, and others. Because in this explanation text is about meteor shower, so it's a featuring generic participant. The word meteor shower is in the last line of paragraph 9. Now the last of language feature on this text. Using chronological connection. Chronological connection is used to arrange the details in chronological or time order. Chronological connection consists of such as after that, next, and then. So, which paragraph has a chronological connection? 1. In third paragraph. That was so much like forming a cloud. Then by areas gigantes, chunk of ice. 2. In eighth paragraph. That come from comets, then both collide. Illustration of Earth. 3. In 10th paragraph. Crushed and burned in the atmosphere. Then, when it also will be a lot of meteor.